Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss in this video how to fix Facebook app not working on any iPhone. So guys, I will request to my all friends, all brothers, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video and new tech video for notification on your iPhone. On your phone, so please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So do not waste any time. So guys, fix this problem. You have first solution, you have quit and relaunch the app. And then second solution, you have check the internet connection you have used on your iPhone. So Wi-Fi or cellular data you must be check on your iPhone. So guys, then your problem will be fixed, and then you have properly working Facebook on your iPhone. So other solution, you have checked the Facebook update. You have opened the app store and then you have search in searching bar. You have sorry brother, you have search bar Facebook, and then you have check the any update on your Facebook app you have must be update on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have clear history and website data. So guys, you have opened the setting and scroll up, then you have opened the Safari and then scroll up, then you have clear history and website data, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are this solution is not working on your iPhone, then other solution, you have delete the Facebook app, remove, and then you have reinstall on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed. If there other solution, you have restart your iPhone, volume up button, volume down button, and increase the power button, and then your see Apple logo appears on your screen, and then your problem will be fixed. If there other solution, you have must be check on your iPhone update iOS. Open the setting, click on general, click on software update, and then you check and install on your download on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working Facebook on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.